Imagine walking outside tonight and seeing not one, but two giant moons hanging above your head. What would really happen if Earth had two moons? Let's find out.
What if I told you that adding just one more moon to Earth could completely change our planet? From giant tides to brighter nights, everything would be different. Imagine stepping outside tonight and seeing two giant moons hanging in the sky instead of one. It would look incredible, but the consequences could be enormous. Scientists believe that a second moon would affect Earth's gravity, oceans, wildlife, and even the length of our days over time. The first thing people would notice is the sky itself. Two bright moons would create a breathtaking view unlike anything humans have ever experienced. Moonlight would become much stronger than it is today. Many nights could be so bright that you might not even need streetlights. Forests, deserts, mountains, and oceans would all glow under the light of two moons, creating what looks completely different after sunset. Sastra the Sunvis Sakmand. But not everyone would enjoy this change. Astronomers who study distant galaxies would suddenly face a major problem every night. Forests, mountains, deserts, and moons, and beautiful than anything we know.
The extra moonlight would make the night sky brighter, causing many faint stars and distant galaxies to become harder to observe. However, the biggest changes wouldn't happen in the sky. They would happen in Earth's oceans, where gravity controls the movement of water. With two moons pulling on Earth at the same time, ocean tides could become much stronger and far more unpredictable than today. Imagine standing on a beach and watching the ocean rise much higher than normal. With two moons pulling on Earth's waters, coastal regions could experience much stronger tides every day. In some regions, these powerful tides could increase flooding risks and slowly reshape coastlines. Entire communities might need to adapt to survive near the ocean. But humans wouldn't be the only ones affected. Many animals depend on moonlight and tidal cycles to guide important parts of their lives. Even animals on land would notice the difference. Brighter nights could change hunting habits, migration routes, and sleeping patterns. And the effects wouldn't stop with wildlife. Two moons could also influence the way Earth rotates through space. Our current moon already slows Earth's rotation a tiny amount every century. Adding another moon could strengthen this effect over time. Over millions of years, Earth's days could become slightly longer, changing the rhythm of life in ways that are difficult to imagine. Now imagine one of the most incredible sights possible: a double eclipse created by two moons moving across the face of the sun. Events like these would attract millions of skywatchers and become some of the most famous astronomical moments in human history. If humans had grown up with two moons in the sky, our stories, traditions, and view of the universe might be completely different today. Scientists would spend generations studying how two moons influence Earth's oceans, climate, and the future of life on our planet. Families across America would spend evenings outside watching the sky, as two moons create breathtaking views unlike anything we experience today. Some nights, one moon might rise while the other sets, creating constantly changing views above cities across the world. Scientists at NASA would work around the clock to understand how a second moon affects Earth's future and long-term stability. If the second moon followed a stable orbit, Earth could safely keep both moons for millions of years. But if gravity slowly pushed the moons closer together, scientists would begin to worry about the future. In the worst-case scenario, the two moons could eventually collide in one of the biggest events in planetary history. The impact would send billions of tons of debris into orbit, completely changing the appearance of our sky. For a brief moment in cosmic history, Earth could even develop stunning rings.
becoming one of the most beautiful planets in our solar system. Humanity would probably take its next giant leap by exploring the second moon and unlocking entirely new scientific discoveries. Future generations might build research stations on a second moon, giving humanity a completely new perspective on our home planet. Traveling between moons might one day become as routine as international flights are today. Imagine standing on one moon and watching Earth and the other moon shine above you at the same time. Entire cities could eventually rise beyond Earth, transforming humanity into a true multi-world civilization. But managing two moons would require constant monitoring to prevent dangerous orbital instability. Even tiny changes in gravity could slowly affect the relationship between the two moons over thousands of years. Scientists would carefully monitor the moons every day, making sure their orbits remain stable and safe for future generations. If lunar debris entered Earth's atmosphere, the planet could experience incredible meteor showers unlike anything seen today. People around the world would gather outside to witness breathtaking displays lighting up the night sky. Over time, the presence of two moons could even influence ocean currents and global climate patterns. Small changes in tides can eventually affect weather systems and ecosystems around the entire planet. As stronger tides reshape the coastline, cities around the world would build new defenses to protect millions of people living near the ocean. Scientists would spend decades studying how two moons interact with Earth and influence our planet's long-term stability. Nighttime landscapes would look completely different, as two moons cast twice as much light across Earth. Ocean waters would constantly respond to the combined gravitational pull of both moons. Some nights the moons would appear close together, while other nights they would drift far apart. A double full moon night would become one of the most beautiful events visible from Earth. Astronomers would spend generations studying the complex dance between Earth's two moons. Gravity from both moons would constantly interact, creating effects never experienced on modern Earth. Ocean tides would become more complicated as water responds to two different sources of gravity. Over millions of years, two moons could slowly influence the speed of Earth's rotation. Eclipses would become far more complex and much more spectacular than the ones we see today. Every night, people would look up and see a sky unlike anything in human history. From space, Earth would appear even more extraordinary, with two celestial companions nearby. Sunrises and sunsets would become even more dramatic in a world with two moons. If both moons remain stable, Earth could enjoy this incredible view for millions of years. Together, these two moons would create one of the most fascinating planetary systems in our solar system. Our world would be brighter, stranger, and perhaps even more beautiful than the Earth we know today. So, would you want to live on an Earth with 2 moons? Let us know in the comments, and subscribe for more amazing space and science facts.